Wale wanataka kupika. Oya, kutoka hapo hii. Oya.
Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. And guys, first thing I want to say thank you for the gift of life. Right now I'm just quickly recover because I'm under medication. Even right now guys, let me show you, I have two jackets. That's first right here, and that is the second one. Oh, fresh boy. So I was greeting one of my neighbors with the motorbike. Actually, I'm heading this way. It's by God's grace, man. So today I'm doing this video for the last day of sending my uncle, because me, what I believe, I'll never see him in this world, but one day I'll see him in heaven, you know. So guys, let's go this way, and more condolence. Actually, I'm doing the last videos. I never do it ever since my entire life, but because of my family, I tried to do it, and showing you here I'm there because my uncle was so helpful to me. A part of maybe small work here and there, paying him some cash, you know. So if you're watching my videos every day, there's a day before I go to Mombasa, I bring some 2-3 for the sand, and I told him, you just cut the thorns and then you fence it. Look at this, man. Hey, Kasongo.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah.
How's everything?
Fine.
Everything's fine.
I'm coming from border town.
Man, must wear food, like heavy jacket.
Yeah, but
you know, the bike, the cold affect me. I'm telling you. Even right now, as I speak here, the motorbike brings some issues. So you need to wear a heavy jacket. Serious. Niko sana.
Ni kama ni mkini chimbile ni mke amagi.
Oh. Mkoroni. Mkerembe. So I'm advising this guy. He was also the part of my family. You should wear heavy jacket. Hey. Me, I was joking around during daytime like this. You bro, oh, it's sunny day. Oh, it's so hot. You drive with a t-shirt. Here you'll see fire. Or you don't fear pneumonia?
I fear.
Oh, if you fear, wear heavy jacket.
Any disease. I fear.
Yeah, okay.
Hey. Oh, it's off.
Okay. Alright guys, so in our village you have more motorbike than car. because motorbike, it's cheaper to maintain, it's cheaper to buy, or you can afford. But a car, hey, you need to have $1,000 so you can have a car. So when I'm walking this way, the only song that I had, it's from birds, and it's by God's grace to see a day like this. So we're gonna to interact with our family members, friends, and also relatives here and there, so we can come together to bury my uncle or to send off him. And also, yeah, it's by God's grace. You know, I can't complain at all. Wow, so for my premiere again, these videos could be more shortly, but so sad, guys, you know, so sad. You know, the normal days I was going to the mortuary, seeing my uncle coming back, but today I'll never see him anymore. But for us, we say God thank you, everybody who contributes here and there. Through my uncle, we finish building the house and also everything, and also we bring church service here and there. It's by God's grace, you know. For those people who contribute in our village, thank you so much. And also, Mom, thank you so much for your 3 iron sheets. There is one day I deliver it and then I make the video. You know, God's grace in here. Come. Yeah. Si mimi na rekodi.
Hata mimi si shida.
Si
ni kazi yako.
Hata kama ni mrekodi.
Si kazi eti gani vibaya.
Actually.
Vipi? Mama.
Tangu ngivitoke net.
Vitoke.
Still
Imagine ndero inchona entore inchona chane ho.
Aro bane anko bane. Asiogopi mimi. Yes, that's a goat right here. Grazing. Wow, I'm heading this way and then going back home. I want to analyze what's going on. Look, beautiful goats are grazing right there because they love to eat green vegetation. Like this one here, they are twins. Yeah. Also, people are building my village here. We are members. Like you are members, you are family, you are neighbors, things like that. And on behalf of my side, guys, I'm thinking, you know, to bring back home the Wi-Fi because, you know, right now I want to analyze it a little bit. I have the power, so there's no need, you know, to struggle here and there. You know, at least, guys, I have the power right now. So I'm thinking if I could get $200, I could, you know, deliver the public Wi-Fi from the main road, which is the tarmac, running that way back home. I'm thinking that. Or to have Safaricom Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi which I bought, I think it's this. I think this year, it have some like I wanna say I didn't make the payment close to $200. I decide to pay that or to bring the new one, but I'll try to see. I will try to see. I want 24 hours. I'll be online shooting my videos, uploading, man. Oh, sorry. Right now I didn't feel much better on my chest because I'm still under medication. Sometimes, you know, when it's cold, when it's cold I suffer a lot, but when it's sunny, at least right there. So guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. Look, there's a local tree, guys. So see you on the next video, guys. Alright guys, these are our night dishes here. So anyway, welcome on to this vlog, our very special. And right now I have my mom on this small yard here fetching water. I'm gonna say hello to him. And guys, first thing, I thank God for the gift of life. So right now I have been quick recover. So mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Yes, Mama fetching water for the funeral section. Upeleke moja. Yeah. So you see, Mama, she was volunteered to fetch water for the funeral, and then some few minutes you'll see people here, you know. Mama nadhani tutakuja tuongeze kamba moja. So guys, the more you fetch water, it's go down. The best way you can do is to add one rope, you know. Yeah. You say group of people from this side. Kiroeng heri. Tota hicho. So guys, if you're watching these videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and also all the way positive vibe. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And on these videos, it's last day for my uncle. We'll send him today, and I will never see him on this world. Maybe one day we find ourselves in heaven, guys, but for him we just forget him like that. Hey, kage hare naenda turusiri usema burusira no usiri mwenge afundare no naruwe racha fore naenda temani hai tamanera ndaenda temanera kairogea hari. Even right now, guys, I'm coughing. Oh, look the safari ants. Hey. So it's running from this side. Look, this safari ant, man, for sure. Oh. Hey. And some kids playing here. Hey, look. Wow. So I think I'm gonna look the best way to buy some rope to add, because the more people fetching water is the more water goes down. You know, on the ground we have a lot of water, so we decide to see that our car grazing there. So guys, I was thinking, after when I finish my uncle's, you know, issues here and there, you'll see one of my engineer. I'll call him, and then we start the perimeter wall here. So I'll ask him the quotation for the stones and also blocks, but for that I don't want to touch anymore. Wow. So in case you're new here for my first time watching this video, this I'm calling home. You know, nothing to be changed, but some bit of activities changing every day. Our car grazing here, man. Yeah, eating dry grass. So guys, I'm heading this way to see the progress for today. Man, I thank God I'm still alive, and I thank God I'm quick recover. I'm still under medication. Man, it could be, you know, it's happened never before, you know. Even right now I have been wearing around 3 jackets on my body. Try to imagine. And we can't jog around the pneumonia, guys. So let's go and see, you know. Yeah. So for those new subscribers who need the land, we have here, these are more expensive, 1.3. This one is 600,000 Kenyan shillings, you know. This one right here, but this one here, it's 1.3. When you calculate, maybe 800,000 USD, that one right here. But if you can run for the cheapest, we have here You see the whole of this land have been plowed going up to other side where you see banana. And also down here we have for 500. On this situation I met my brother. Again, two small brother. Hey, they wanna say hello, but I know kids are not allowed. Benny, say hello.
Hello.
This is my uncle's son. Say hello.
Hello.
Peppa, say hello.
Hello.
So today is on Friday, and we try to stop each and every kid in our family not going to school because it's not allowed. And let's see, guys. For me, I'm just okay, but for them, it's only today because it's on Friday, you know. So yesterday we stopped there with an ambulance, and then we bring back my uncle. Wow. Yeah, I'm shooting these videos random. Guys, right now we try to arrange some tents, chairs, actual chairs. And also on the other side, that's the house for my uncle. People are just full of here. Say hello.
I'm here with hello, baby. Hey guys.
Yes. Looking like Maasai.
Yeah, I'm Maasai now. I want to train to be a Maasai so that I can learn some simple.
My young brother have some disability. We use sign and gestures. Anyway, Robbie, give me speaker and get here. There's some speakers here, guys. Punguza ngoma mura. Utanipa copyright. I'm telling him to turn off the music. Hey, no gasolino. This is some mixer here. So guys, people here need something. You know, look. Where did me generate? Oh, you know. Lazima kwanza generator ma tunajua isitawaka.
Sio kani setara awanza.
Zima generator hapo. Alime awanza mpaka generator. So this is the house for my uncle. Kana yake moto kisiko. Hata me content. Yake moto risiko.
We are
Kata mo kumoto kera bod.
we are very nice, bro. We are very organized. Very good.
Mura, akira bantu banate
Wene ngo batege.
Mbategi hano irigana mbu.
Wone irigana mbalenga bari.
Ali ondo narna hata itabati
10. Ulini 10 nayo.
Ati 10 to.
Serious work. Kana ngo tere camera. Master, say hello.
Hello guys.
Uncle Pat Nuronde into commission.
We are in the burial. Already it's in the morning. We are morning, guys. Yeah. So go check me out. I'm Master 254.
Yes, Master Home is just right here.
Yeah.
I need to see you starting construction because you have everything.
Material, but I'm just mixing here and there. But I know God will open doors. I'll be starting building. You know, I'll start building recently, but now I'm lacking material. I've already made the bricks. You can see there. Then I'm just remaining with sand and cement. Then, as you know, I'm the mason. I'll be building it myself. So continue supporting me, guys. I'll be very much thankful, guys. Yeah, we're in the burial. We are mourning. This was my brother here. Hello baby is my uncle. We are living in harmony, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, we're in a sad mode, but the people who are working here, they need something. Mnataka nieta soda kireti mkunya mapombe. Mambo ni mawili. Asipateni pesa, soda kireti mkunywa.
Hawa wanataka pesa.
Pesa hakuna.
Hawataki pesa, no money. We need money.
Guys, they need liquor and I'm not allowed to do that, but for this situation I'll do it. Amarolita tano ni renga. 200 mtongeze.
Haina shida.
Amarolo mwakuguria.
Wewe wape pesa hiyo pesa.
Sawa sawa. Makani no muntu ungasorenda masiga wewe.
Nichukue hapo.
Omesa.
Sikiza.
Uona hata hano.
Mungu hapa hera.
Alright guys, this young man that you see here, they need some 2 stones for putting like supporters and then putting sufri. We can get out to Wana can't get up and get a high. Muki.
Cara ni mirito muro. Ono ngana turki kigera.
Yeah. Sometimes it's a tricky situation where when the stones goes and then used as a source of supporters in firewood, you can't take it anymore. Never. Sasa ngano moga tachere.
Wanu ni atanta kuzika heno ko van bageni ambriki ga mun.
Yeah.
Yo ngambiri ga tasaba manani. Tasaba ngurai. Omera hano ka tunyuri hano ka nyoru montare miki hano. Ngane ka baye.
Nchonkoro kan regana rewimuki. Yeah, sometimes this is a tricky situation. They see some stones there, they need to take for the supporters. Faza. Mbota ataruki hibisike.
Hibi.
Ataruki wewe.
Nka chenga pa na ni chekuri.
Bisike vya ni vya rufuko.
Pio bini mayo.
Hata naona magena. No. Even right now here we have some stones. Drotirigana. Hey, chonkoro kirin. Nene taburi kubatora te. So me vada keti mingi. Guys, I'm trying to show him some stones. Wow. Also right now we open the toilets. If some visitor want to access using the toilets, they can use, because we want to have a 1,000 of people. Mandori. Kimuki. Yeah.
Mary.
Tame, yo trabiri ge. Pangu samba mara pangu kuchafa. Yeah guys, I decided instead of taking that from other side, let's take this one, because I used for this toilet here. It goes to, imagine this toilet only carried 1 tippers of stones and then boom.
Didn't support it.
That's bigger stones. You have some veggies here. Wacho ke hoka tore hamwe. Mukyo inako. Yeah. Até porque que moga tora wangu chumba montango ko somba. Você tá heruche hanonde. So I'm telling him, you just go and then come back. I'm just over here, you know. Oh. Okay. So anyway guys, subscribe to these videos. It's my last video that I'm filming about my uncle's funeral, and then by God's grace I'm gonna go back to my normal videos, but I'm still, you know, recovering. Even right now I think I'm going to take some tablets. You know, I'm still under medication guys, for sure. So after this vlog I'm going to take some tablets, you know, so stay tuned. Yeah.
Ready?
Alright guys, I'm heading border town. I'm going to buy some meats for the visitors at home. So here we go. Wow. buy the meat, also tomatoes and onion. So actually my mama has some friends, so we need to cook aside. That's a church right here. So I wanna drive slowly, no speed, because I'm healing. Ooh. Sorry. Okay. So at the same time, we're gonna meet the tarmac road, you know, heading to Border Town. Yeah. To make 1, 2, 3. Table wagon man. Bridge under construction, you know, right here. The tarmac like that. When you see the bus painting yellow paint, that's a school bus. Okay, let's go. Sibania Center for you. It's well developed because it has church, school, hostel. Yeah. Look. No pain, no gain, man. Oh. And also I see the tourists. Mercedes-Benz. That's Suzuki. That's not a go over. To na risk. Village life. Guys, sorry, I don't know why I left my helmet when I was parking the motorbike. So I realized when I park, I want to fix my helmet maybe here or here, one of the side, because when I store inside the house I forget it, man. Wow. V-Power shell, man. On the other side, that's where we shine. Okay. Life in Border Town, not what we expected, because most of the stuff we normally buy in Border Town, or we bought in Border Town. You know, it's crazy. Hey, tourist, man. Sibania police station. Let's go. Business. Oh man. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, you know. Yeah, I'm on the way to hit 8,000 subscribers very soon. I want to celebrate with you guys from scratch. Yeah man, man, I love the view of Border Town. I don't know why. Yeah. Building and nature. Little boy selling sugar cane. See that? Whoa. Man, I think right now we have tourists right here on that truck. Guys, I'm jumping to the other side. I need to buy goat meat, man. You know, right now. So that's how everything it is, you know. Okay, what a town. Okay. Looking the best place. Imburi. Erembero sen. Mura. Ile sukuri fanya mambo mabaya. Nyama kilo shinga ndawa terente no. Kilo 700. Ya mangana ka umara. Ano ko hela to bora to. Yani nyama ng'ombe kilo 500. Watu kubuni ya ng'ombe ni tiga 600 mo. Takai ni nyama. 500 bro. Na magana ka kara. Era gani? Frank. Asi mna watejo bro. Ni ho watema hano. Kwa hiyo bei. Kwa 700 upige hapa juu na kerege he. Tema wenye mera mara. Sukate hapo bado ni sawa tu.
Tukumanya mambi bana. Arate no ninchie mabo. Ni metano irombe.
Babuyu. Achuma mangana kan tu.
Tatu babu.
Because I'm telling you this. Amaguha gako. Na kiru nyore terhoke.
Mama buyu ni hanu kwenye seje simu. Seje simu. Hamna shida. Asikuyenga kwa moto. Ndo nataka sasa hivi.
Ora balance mara. We kata.
Kama
so mmenyonga kilo sana. Mimi siwezi wadanganya. Anda kuri nyama kilo ya ng'ombe nyevanzi ntore hano. Kasema kama kilo ngapi?
Ita ni kweli ndio ndio para ni.
Yeah. Alright guys. Tora. Bado. Guys, I know most of you are hating to see me direct. Ono kate maharo akagambere. Bakokeda mayo miulinya mamrata ko sam. And then from that route I'm gonna buy some tomatoes, onions, boom. Kwana ile maguna kataka masuno ni yake nafuatia huko. Bunyemo bofu bora. Kaya mwana antore moheres. Inkego butchery man. White lady in Border Town. Mamenya. Look. Guys, I wanna buy some tomatoes. This summit here. What a crazy day. You know. I want to buy tomatoes and maybe tunguri.
Ile ni vitunguru.
Ile ngukupima. Unapima kama kwa Magufuli.
Mihokiri 20.
Haya. Weka nyanya za 50. Na kitunguu 50. Mama turishi ndo kuchankomano.
Tura mromba kai.
Tap. I need this, guys. Tachao,
Amekata labda amepata. Labda ameulizia mtu akamwelekeza.
Shika hata sanduku. Shika hata sanduku kwa.
Asante, amekuwa ni jirani mzee Sabas. Kwa sababu mageni alijua mimi ni ndugu yake, hakuwa na shida. Hiyo sehemu iangalia. Kwa majina naitwa Paul Rubiria. Nasema kwamba kifo kipo. Tupende tusipende, kifo kipo. Na kitambo mtu aje afe, lazima kuwe kwamba kuna kitu kimeharibika kwa mwili wake. Huwezi kufa bila kitu kuharibika.
Guys, we just over here. We are waiting the food for those who are, you know, working at my uncle's burial place. Samoke, say hello.
Hi guys, how are you? Tomorrow, good evening. Sisi good evening or morning?
Unajua safi sana sio.
But no money, I don't have money to save.
Haile. Wagwan.
Give me something, my friend. Give me something. I'm hungry, but the hair, this year. Want to prepare this, you know, I'm a musician. You know me, you don't drive, you know me.
You're killing me. Guys, I'm telling you for sure, men are so hungry here. Look at this. Look from other side. So food is ready. You can see these scales.
Hello guys, we are here, we are celebrating the burial here. Yes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm Master 254, go check me out. I have so many amazing videos. So that's my home,
Right here guys. Right there.
Just this is the ugali. This is the ugali and evening Gurai, the man of the town.
I'm telling this guy will finish meat here.
I'm serving these people.
They're so hungry.
I am eating the food.
Okay.
Yeah, I am eating the food.
It's me. Yeah? It's me.
I am the one who will cook meat.
People are so angry here, they will kill you because of food. They need meat. All right. Yeah? These are not tango. Ni nyingi sana. Tenka kambi kata. Katora kenta nyingi. Taika hange msasa. Additional hapo kidogo. Tego. Kenta nyikuja. This is my guy here.
Wewe sijakusavu bado. Sijakusavu nyama moja. Ngora nitakusavu.
Getani, tacho turuchini ba ukimera nyuma kibarako.
Tare mwenda goto. Tarako savu.
Mote misi dewe pu. Atarara egera.
Tuli.
Motori chini amto bande baju.
Matemo musuru.
Nani wonte vile unamuhaisa? Ni wote le sani kuma.
Gentani, uko sawa hapo? Sukuma.
Ono ngasi tamuona.
Torna we.
Tamuha. Na wewe. Kwa hivyo niweke hapa mboga moja na huyu.
Uncle is very tough.
I'm very tough. I am very technical.
Gamba torisu.
Tori nyama ba.
Oh, kwa wili mura. Kozi unarara mimi.
Uzo.
Weka mboga hapo bwana. Kana
Mimi sina haja na nyama. Sasa
Kantor mboga kono mura tenda motora.
utora mbuvu kima.
So kama imani tora agere.
Bar torisu tunaenda kura huko.
Kana mama asega tora.
tu nyamemu.
Arumate kwanza tutoro hata tora.
Yes, I'm telling you, men now they are very hungry.
Mutangu bukima mono bamba.
Tuli.
Mata bote hapo kuingia bukima.
Nambo.
Tuli chini ngero bukima tu koragera no. Tengero bukima kwanza. Iya mzaa.
Tora manu bukima. Taba kemeru bukima kimwe pa.
Tora kidagari chini.
Oya mbaka toro. Sawa.
Tuturu sukuma gada. This is my boy in the hands.
Yeah, mamu here.
Tem que muito se morar, cara. Kana manta mata.
Ma, oi, koshi te more. Koshi te ma tuturu sukuma he. Kinero. Aire.
Bado huyu kidogo nika huyu. Sahani ya huyu.
Utakija mani po haro ete sahani.
Mai kitango rangi hayo.
Yeah. Mas sukuma. Nchongo tori sukuma gentani. Sukuma.
Tatuengere anotoragera na. Bara hanji. Tababure kwanza. Mzaire. Tacho tuengere toragera na ubure kujiri na. Tacho.
People taking position. Here, there.
Before me, I am. Let me tell you, baby. My name is Christopher Gentani. I am hungry. Oh, pity.
Mais sukuma njogan. We koshi machimu misi sukuma. Tata tu koiro koshi mali sukuma.
Tanto.
Wera ma. Atu paturi sukuma.
Wene.
Malingu misi enjoy.
Ore hapa to bani chinyama. Motakara kaya matanga ka. Matanga tega ho kana mokara.
These people. Kuna tasuru mukima mura.
Tora mwe.
Wisaba
Murakari nyama were murakari nyama.
Were mata tora anko muiti sukuma. Koshe. You ni bien. This man they try to eat from this. Imagine all of this. Pero como te lo hago, somos te lo gaban tu para. Está tu richini ha.
Karu hambe hetem.
I'm eating now.
You see?
Anko te ma, é muito carras. Monta anko pa sombar, ma agora ngolo na costa. Na bio si. Chonkoro. Yeah.
Hey guys.
They need to eat. Hey. Imagine guys. Take it down. Mixing na mata. Imagine guys. All of this sugar. For me, we can eat 3 people, but for him, alone. That's it. I'm telling you, just eat like a man. Also, you have master here.
Yes, I'm eating, but I'm really stressing because the person who has just died, he was my parent. He used to
taking care of the baby.
He was taking care of me when I was a child. My mother went to work in the village. This hustle, small hustle. So this boy,
you call blue job caller.
So that guy used to take care of me, give me porridge when I was young. In 1993 there. It's so sad, but I was the person who was arranged to give the people food, who was just digging the grave. But you are done. We are just taking lunch time. Then we are just going to disappear after this, but you are really paining in our heart. This guy who has just died is my brother. My home is just there.
Yeah, right here, guys. One day I'll do a quick tour, a home tour. Okay, master. See, guys, you have some groups here. One, another one. People are hiding in bananas here, like crazy. But it is what it is, guys. You heard the song. I don't want to get copyright. Like yesterday, I get the copyright, but I deal it with it. Hapa tuna jembe la kupakua.
Mmesikiliza kuna. No.
Haya, wanabaki chini wabebe hapa. Surio moto. Surio moto iga.
Wale wanataka kupika
Ngora. Kare. Kwani moromboro nawe tatupira ngora.
Tikatupira ngora.
Ngora yuko.
Chifuti chiwangu chesera. Chifuti chioti chakuchesera.
Maga yona. Pore mura. Kwani munipitina na moi ngora yuko. Wame utokirika pupu pore mura. Hata nubisiro borengeti ne ngora.
Hata.
Utausapurika pu.
Wina bono bokuchesera.
Moyo wena itabiria asike. Zaire. Alright guys, the day is ended and everything it's just peaceful. So today let me try to pass here, you know, as a shortcut, you know. So today, man, it's a peaceful day. We finished the burial for my uncle, very nice. No one who complained, people eat, you know. Sometime they think the Africa, but I know even other places when we are in a burial section, people need to eat, and also he can give us the company here and there. So let me try to pass inside here, you know. It is what it is, nothing to fear. Yeah, we normally fetch firewood here. When I was a young kid, like around 15 years old, fetching here, taking to my mama home. So for now, I'm trying to pass here, heading to the funeral. So we make sure the owner of the tent have been, picked in good ways, speakers or the system in howly other way. So I don't want see people complaining, oh, this and this is missing. No. The way we buried my uncle in a peaceful way, also we need people to go to their home in a peaceful way. So let's go. Yeah, hello baby is trying to pass here. You know. Yeah. So since last week and this week we are having a tough day, you know, running here and there, you know, to make sure people eat. They generate have the gasolino, but God opened the door. You know, when we have any challenges at the same time, we get little cash, we bring the gasolino. So here we go. Here we go. It's not my normal day, guys, to wear two jackets at the same time, but because of the incidents, I tried to wear it, you know, a little bit. So Congo, yes. So guys, you know, sometimes other people don't like the camera, so I put aside because I don't wanna try to engage on trouble. Oh, what do you film me? What do you film me? You know, with no reason. I don't like. I know how people, the behavior, the kind of behavior, how it is. Mostly African, you know. We want to have different behavior. Other people like to film, other doesn't like 100%. So the good thing, we don't want to force issues. It's the best way to record myself, and when they see me like enjoying some my hard working, they try coming, oh hello baby, give me something. I told them no, I'm not a bank, you know. Even me, I'm just hustling, you know. So for my entire life, guys, I don't want to see, you know, lazy people. Even my family, I'm trying to advise them, please work so hard, work smart, and everything will be boom, okay. So also for my other family, you know, you see them as they are working so hard in terms of putting videos and bring some development in our village. Yeah, so that's also is my family right here, right there. Imagine that way, this way. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah. And the good thing is there's one of my family member insisting me to do a video. One day I'll do it right here. She's a widow, so one day I'll do it, a video. I'll give you brief quick tour to a widow woman in our village. We have cows here. Oh man. So also we have the machine here, posho mill. You can see, for grinding maize corn. Yeah, people have been parked motorbike here. So I want to see the system is going in good way. Imagine my uncle's house right now. It's looking very fantastic. Molding twice. So guys, here. Zonte upoya masipika. Sitaki kusikia mtu ana complain oh vinto visariki. Pana. So guys, I'm telling him I don't want to see anybody complaining, oh my speaker, oh my generator, no.
Oh manini.
Oh?
Very mixa kwa Kisungu.
Yes. Even right now I see the car is coming. Pick up. I see the pickup for all this tent. Tapo hii bintu biro biro ngibenyu. Kama tari benyu mwachane. I see the pickup. I see the pickup here. So they want to pick the tent and boom. Wataora agaenda ambaleka. Sio pole. So here the pickup is coming like that way. Fresh. Itikisa anko. It's a kind of a total mess. Alright guys, I'm coming at the end of these videos, and I want to say thank you everybody. My God bless you. So this I'm calling home, and actually guys, so maybe by tomorrow or on from maybe, let me say from next week, we're gonna back to the normal vlog. So as I keep healing myself, you know. So right now it's sunny and but I'm feeling cold, so I want to rush and to wear my jacket, guys, completely. So yeah, the journey for my uncle, it's so good. No one is complaining. The tents have already gone, speakers. So it's an evidence of these videos. You see the guy tightening the speakers here and there. And also in the morning, I realized when you're fetching water, it's go deeper. So we add another rope. You can see it's a different than this one. This one, it's a blue one, but this one, it's yellow or orange. It depends the color. So thank you for my new subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing. And you subscribe if you don't know, because I'm calling home. I just, you know, transforming my home little by little, step by step. One day I'll build my home Africa brick by brick. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. Let's meet on the next vlog, especially my normal vlog, not this one, you know. Like I do it around I think the 5th videos. It's purely my uncle's funeral. So right now I decide we close the chapter because we send off my uncle, and I want to say my soul rest in peace. Guys, let's meet on the next vlog. Bye.